Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Adams Oshiomhole don't enter trouble. Oh. Hey, the guy in nice house, what I did, look, you know when something they boil. This is me trying to mimic a boiling substance. NLC, after forcing their way into the National Assembly, has asked, where is Oshiomhole? Where is Oshobaba? Protesters demand for ex-NLC leader after forcing their way into National Assembly. Oshiomhole must come out. The cry for Oshiomhole continues to ring. Adams Oshiomhole was the man or one of the persons who fought President Olusegun Obasanjo's administration to a steal. Then he has not become the governor of Edo State. Oh yes, over the same petrol. Today, by the way, in case you're not aware, he is a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He is very right-hand man. A right-hand man. Where we say they are 2 now 5 and 6. Now he be president. Oshiomhole go talk. You don't know how things they be for this country. Person they see white, they call them black. You say make it talk. Hell, skill smell. From where to where? Adams Oshiomhole, isn't it? He knows the suffering of the people. The other day for Senate, he tell them, say, how minimum wage go be 35,000 naira. In they pay the woman where they clean the house 60,000 naira. So the woman not go school. This one are graduates, so where they work for government house. They pay on 35,000 and I be government money to ram. Ministry of Education, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of name it. 35,000 naira minimum wage. It's not a yardstick to steal, but why do people not go thief? I just they ask question, and a question I ask so. Let's get all the details. Oshiomhole in boiling waters as Nigerians demand. Where is Oshiomhole? Protesters demand for the ex-NLC leader after forcing their way into the National Assembly. Members of NLC organized labor demand to meet with Adams Oshiomhole, former Edo State governor, after forcing their way into the National Assembly complex on Wednesday. The National Labour Congress has announced the commencement of the nationwide protest following President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's decision to pull the plug on petrol subsidy. The president's pronouncement during his inaugural speech with no plans in place on May the 29th immediately resulted in the hike of pump price of petrol in the country and led to untold economic hardship. Dialogue session between the government and representative of NLC amidst the forestalling protest to ensure that they stop it and impending strike have yielded little or no result. On Wednesday, protesters in Abuja took down the gate leading to the National Assembly complex while chanting solidarity songs and slogans. Once inside the complex, Aliyu Nudi, chief whip of the Senate, who represented the FCT in the Senate, and Tony, who represented Anambra North, among others, stood in the rails of the complex to address the crowd and call for calm of the nerves. However, the protesters cry out the more with voices increasing on top of the peak. Where is Oshiomhole, the former NLC Labour leader, who is now a senator representing Edo North in the upper legislative chamber? Where is Oshiomhole? Where is Oshiomhole? Some in the crowd thundered repeatedly. And to me, made to speak, says Oshiomhole was the NLC president from 1999 to 2000. Oshiomhole was the NLC president all through Jonathan's administration. He was visibly vocal, proactive, and led several protests against the federal government during his days as the leader. Because according to him, the masses were suffering. Obasanjo was wasting Nigerians' money. There is no need why the price of wealth should be what it is at that time. The lawmakers were preparing to continue with the scream of some of the president's ministerial nominees from the protesters stormed the complex and said, we want to see Oshiomhole. He is one of the worst people in the history of Nigeria. who says A but actually means B and never mean well for the people. Are weak. Somebody say, please. Somebody give me some, what's that call now? Give me some Coca-Cola to drink, or Fanta, or Sprite, or Malt. I need strength. Now, what's the apple with this? They reach there, now Oshiomhole. Now they ask for, say Oshiomhole. What if you say they do so? You they hide for ye. Oh, breeze don't blow, now you don't become better person. You don't leave us, market don't move for you. You be chairman. You be waiting. Then you can't abandon your people. Oshiomhole, that's what things they be. You abandon people, you abandon boys. When you know the struggle, you abandon people. Oshiomhole really for real, you. Because Oshiomhole in those days was vocal. He dey speak like say tomorrow no day. He dey talk and on talk. Say what? Expose anything where we say need to be exposed. Today, Oshiomhole is as quiet as a mouse. Is as gentle as gentility. Is as gentle as gentility. Let me tell you something. If these things continue, nobody speaks, you'll be surprised. The aim and the purpose is to sweep it under the carpet. You don't hear me well now. They won't make sure so nobody talk about the matter again and make everything just go quietly like say nothing happened. Listen, guys, if we continue like this, we'll be surprised the things that are going on. Everybody can see, everybody knows. And the truth is, we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. It doesn't work that way. Tell your neighbor it doesn't work that way. Oshiomhole know what they do. Why people they stand up, they say, let us ensure that the masses, not for me, not for me, not for you, but for us. Because you see that us mentality, now what it go move us forward. You see that me mentality is called selfishness. Again, repeat that. Exactly, you are in line with the spirit. Selfishness, not they carry anybody, they go anywhere. Where you dey, you just dey selfish. Say now just for yourself. You know they go anywhere. Selfishness na bad thing. Tell your neighbor, say selfishness na bad thing, not be good thing. Nobody they enjoy selfishness. But when you dey, your mind dey for the people. You dey think about people. You dey help people. They go help you too now. You know say all birds they fly for sky. So why you feel say make it correct now? Make everybody see. Nigerians are not asking for too much. Yes, basic necessities of life. Tell your neighbor, say now basic necessities, basic human. If you see all the basic basis of life, people should be able to eat, drink, sleep. They should be able to afford what they want to afford. Not government tightening the boat and making some others rich. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Now God will bless you. Bye for now.